So I want to show you how you can use your phone, your WhatsApp Meta AI to prepare your lesson plan. This can also work for ChatGPT or any other AI you want to use. So here we're focusing on how you can use your WhatsApp AI. So this Meta AI works for updated WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp is not updated, first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store and update your WhatsApp Messenger. We are using the WhatsApp Messenger, and this is the WhatsApp Messenger we will use. So this is the WhatsApp Messenger we're going to use here. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's use this WhatsApp Messenger. I'll click on it. Then your WhatsApp AI is this blue another color button here. So this is your WhatsApp AI. Let me see. Let me point at it. This is your WhatsApp AI. This is it. Look at it here. So that's it. That's for your WhatsApp AI. Then when you click on it, it takes you to the Meta AI. This is my Meta AI. Then this Meta AI, you can ask it any question you want to ask it. So want to use it to prepare lesson plan and lesson notes. One thing with AI, it's better you ask it these questions, interact with it actually. Interact with it like you're talking to someone. Interact with it. So this is how we're going to tailor our message to it. So look at this. Act like an experienced math teacher. I need a lesson plan and lesson note. But since I said it's better you interact with it, let's just request for a lesson plan. I need the lesson plan. This is 45 minutes. You tell it, you need to tell it who it should act like. Tell it who it should act like. Then, when you tell it who it should act like, you tell it what you need. When you tell it what you need, tell it the time that lesson will take. Tell it the class, then the topic and the content of your topic. Make sure you give it enough information to produce all these things for you. So we can say AI is a device, garbage in, garbage out device, because it is whatever you give it that it gives you back. Okay, so make sure you give it all the detailed informations. Then act like an experienced math teacher. I've told it what it should behave like. Then I need lesson plan. This is 45 minutes. Aim at JSS 1, or you can tell it the class that has that math. And this should focus on, okay, I'm supposed to put this should focus on fractions, type of fraction, addition and subtraction of fraction. Then if there are any other thing you want to add to it, you add to it. If there's something you want it to remove, you remove. Let's just send it. So let's send it. So you can see it has given us the information. Here is a detailed 45 minutes lesson plan on fraction for JS1 student. Can you see it? Lesson topic, understanding fractions, types, addition and subtraction. That's lesson topic. Then JS1, 45 minutes. Define fraction and identify. So these are the objective. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to do all this. Then whiteboard and marker, the materials you may need. Okay. Then warm up and others. So this is just a lesson plan. This is just the lesson plan. Now we can say provide, we can, remember we're interacting with it. Provide a lesson note. So provide the lesson note. Provide lesson notes to accompany this plan. So provide a lesson note to accompany this plan. I had to do this because a lot of people were asking me how they will use AI, so we can see it. It has made a lesson note available. Okay, so we can tell it to add more examples. Add more examples to the questions. Add more example questions. So just keep interacting with it till it gives you what you will want. When it gives you what you don't want, tell it this is not it, give me this. So it has added more. We can still say add more, add more, add more, add more till we get exactly what we want. If there is something it gives you that you do not want, you can tell it to remove this one and add this one, and that's it. So you can see it has given us lesson plan according to the instruction we gave to it. So that's the same thing you should do. You can change my subjects in this place where I said, act like an experienced math teacher. You can say act like an experienced government school. Act like an experienced physics teacher and all that. But one thing you should know is that AI is not here to do your work for you. AI is here to assist you. As you use AI, use your brain as well. Don't leave all the work. And most times AI can make mistakes. So make sure you're working with the correct thing. Make sure you're working with the correct thing, okay? And don't work with the mistakes of AI. Alright, so try this out and see if it works, but scale through it, look through it very well, make sure there's no error. Make sure AI is not doing your work, rather AI is assisting you, to assist, not to do the work for you. Okay, so see you in the next video. I hope this has helped. If I see more options, I will bring it to you.